balloon, scissors, tape, 9 pipe cleaners, string, and decorations. So first get 1 pipe cleaner. Now twist it up. Now you have to blow up your balloon. And don't make it too big. Next up, get another pipe cleaner and just twist it around, and then just bend it and then twist it around. Repeat for all the other pipe cleaners. Now you can repeat with the other color. It's okay if your pipe cleaners are a little bit wiggly. Now we're all done. Now we're just gonna attach the tentacles and the balloon. Now we are gonna use the tape to attach the balloon and the tentacles. Now this is how it looks after I attached it. This is how it looks right now. You can also skip this step, but we are gonna add some pom-poms. Now my sister is going to help me attach the string. This is how it looks after we're done. I hope you all liked this video. Bye-bye.